Adding a new remote to your Centurion T5 Evo gate motor is easy. Let me show you how in just a few seconds. First, make sure you have access to the gate motor. Second, open the cover. Third, press and hold the rectangle button for 2 seconds to enter the settings. Fourth, press the arrow button and navigate to Add Remote. Fifth, press the rectangle button again to enter. Then, press once more to proceed. Press it again to go to the next step. And now, press the button on the remote you wish to program. And that's it. Your remote is now programmed into the gate. Test by pressing the button to ensure it opens and closes the gate. This process might work on multiple Centurion gate motors, but this demonstration is specifically for the T5 Evo. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.